Hey guys, Akil Brown here from akilbrown.com and fbmechanics.com. So basically, I want to show you in this video, cool little tool that you can use to actually build your brand online, build all your social media channels, the image side of it, make sure you get your branding set up properly. And as you can see here, you can see the Google sign. They've created a cool little images because images works. Basically, I want to show you my Facebook page, and I want to let you see what jumps out at you. So basically, before I do this, I want to apologize if you see anything on a Facebook page that other people have posted that may be, not censored as of yet. So I'm just going to go to Facebook, and we're just going to scroll down and see. So you see people are sharing videos, another video again. So you can see that video is working as well as images. You can see ads here on the on the right hand side in the middle, 2 Facebook ads. Another image, people are sharing images of themselves, selfies. Again, Amber Rose was in Trinidad for Carnival, so it's another video again, and another image slash blog post linked into images of another Facebook ad. So you see this guy has himself inside Facebook with an arrow and his cover of his book. If you guys got access to the FB Mechanic course, you saw that I talked about creating images, mirroring what other people do, and you can see the image here has changed as well. So this grabs your attention, this bright blue color. This one not so much, but the red border helps makes it stick out, and you can create some simple images as these. Now you need to ask yourself, how much would this cost you to create if you hire that for someone else, and you have to keep on hiring it, especially if you have multiple products inside of your business. And you can see this is another image that's linked to a blog post. Again, another image, and again, the images are changing depending on what my topic or what I hover over on Facebook because of their retargeting. And images, basically images sells. If it's image of someone's actually, the profit they're making on their Facebook ads. And basically, if you want to create Facebook ads, images helps you to stand out, and as well as, you always have to think about what you want to put out there to your target audience. So I got this article at HubSpot.com, which is a great article. It's an infographic actually, and for those who've actually on my email list, I've sent this to you prior, and it talks about using visual aid or visual content to help you grab attention. As you can see, visual content, the number one thing is visual content helps grab your target audience attention, which is true. I'm not making this stuff up, and HubSpot is one of the leading top agencies that promote content or content marketing. Visual content can be processed faster by the human brain, so it just gives you tips. Visual content make up 93% of all human communication. So if you look around, you can see ads. When you go out, magazines, all the visual content are geared towards getting you to do a specific action, and visual content get your post viewed more, especially on Facebook when people are scrolling down and a content or image catches their eye and they want to know more about it. And visual content can bring tons of inbound links, so viral links, coming to your website, to your YouTube channel, to your Facebook channel. Doesn't matter what particular, as long as you use visual content inside of your marketing, it should help you gain or build your brand or increase your product awareness or your service awareness. And as you can see, visual content help increase subscribers and followers, so it helps them to join your email list if you're doing email marketing. And visual content is more understandable, so people know exactly what you're doing, and it influences human emotions. So I'll leave this link below, but basically visual content works. So I want to show you some of the content that the visual images I've used. So you can see here is a banner on Facebook, and this is one of my pages, and everyone knows to keep calm. People like that, they're used to seeing that, keep calm and listen to whatever you're trying to market. It could be your product, could be your service. But the banner, you see I created the cover image. If I go to a next Facebook page, this is another banner, Facebook cover image that you can create. Now if you go to any website, so I think this is a website that I found, but you can see you can quickly create these simple professional websites for 3.95/hosting, and there's not too much to this. It's basically two little color features and some text. But let me go back to the Facebook, this one here, so you can see if I use those guys to know about my FB mechanics. I created the same banner using this particular software I'm going to show you now. So let me just show you what's possible. So you can see you can use marketing, you can use graphics for all your marketing. You can create infographics, you can create business cards, flyers, ebook covers. What else you can create? So depending on what you want to do, you know, video, graphic, images, banners, and more. So depending on your imagination, you can do this. You can create images or create graphics for your YouTube channel, for your Facebook channel or Facebook page, your business pages, for your Twitter cover, for your graphics, for your ebooks, for your banners. The potential is unlimited, and it's all basically is based on your imagination and you taking out the time. So I'm just going to sign in and show you guys quickly what you can do. So as soon as this loads, so as you can see, I'm not trying to encourage you to buy something that I don't have. I use this on a daily basis to create images, to create graphics, to help me promote my brand awareness. And for those of you who are in particular groups, you might have seen me post, an image inside of that group to get you guys to, get your attention. So let me just sign in here. Right, so basically the user interface is pretty straightforward. You can't go wrong. And one of the features I like about this is you have different templates that you can use. So for the small price that you're gonna get, you're gonna purchase this for, if you wanted to purchase it for, it will save you tons of money. So as you can see here, these are some of my designs that I've created previously. But once you want to design something, you can click on the new design. Now you have the different templates or the different options that you can choose from. You can see here Facebook covers. You can create a custom cover, custom size, infographics like the one shown here. Now you do need to be able to research your content that you're going to create your infographic on in order to create a proper infographics. Flyers, A5, business cards, YouTube channels, ebook covers. Now you want to ask yourself, how much is this going to cost you to outsource each one of these particular items in your business, and how much you're going to save today if you take me up on this offer. So you have Twitter cover, header banner, Kindle covers, videos, and one thing I like about this is the custom size. So custom size, again, you can create for those of you who are unfamiliar, you can create even logos if you wanted inside of it. And if you don't show your image as the profile image, you could create a little cover image. So let me just go back here. I'm just going to choose, excuse me, let's choose a Facebook cover. Now what I like again about this particular software, it gives you options to add different graphics, or you'll see in a sec as soon as it loads. Apologies for having too many tabs open. So let me just close some of them, so that way it speeds up the loading time. Okay, so once you've signed in and you chose a particular template or particular option that you want, again, you do have the option to choose here between the drop down. So you have the option again, Facebook cover, graphics, infographics, A5 flyer, business card, YouTube channel, ebook cover, Twitter cover, header, Kindle cover, videos, and custom sizes. So you can change, if you're not sure what size, you can change the size here and you press enter and it changes to the size that you want. So if I do the Facebook, I believe the Facebook graphic, when you do a post, is that, so you can see it's quickly changed. So again, this was 315 by 651, I believe, or 851. Oh, it's the other way around. 851 by 315. So again, you could create slight banners that you want to. And what I like about the left hand side here is you have different options. So you have the academic and sports, businesses, elements. So basically you choose an element here and then you add that, and you can resize it. And again, you can resize it. And another cool feature is, you see how that's one color, or sorry, two colors, which is like kind of a gray and a white. You can click on the color feature here and choose the different option colors that you want, rather than having it like dark gray, so it can match your brand or the product branding that you're kind of want to promote. And that's another cool feature. Again, you can click and drag it around, you can duplicate it. Now if you're not sure, like say how things are measured, you can click on the graphic side of it, and that way you can put it there so it can line up. Another cool feature I like about this is when you have multiple images or you want to line stuff up, there's kind of like you see that little gray line, it lets you know that it's a leveler. So depending on where you want to put it, if you want to level it off, it will show up. Again, you could change the color of these if you wanted to. Now I'm just making up something off the top of my head, and you can see the blue line there shows you exactly when it's in line with the previous graphic. So that way, if you kind of want to promote something and have everything in line with each other, it allows you to do that, and that's a very cool feature. And you have the different options here on the left, so you just don't have the option to put non-graphic or color images. And again, you can always change the color here too as well. So if you click on the color options, you can change the color of the burger. So if you want the meat to be like reddish, you can do that if you wanted to, so it's a bit pinkish. And you can always move it around. And another cool feature is you can add text. So if you want to promote something, you can drag it around, change the color of text. Here you can change basically the font if you wanted to. You can center it, so you can choose from these fonts. So let me just choose a different font. So if I want that one, and then you could resize it since it's too big, and then drag it to the top. And again, that little line lets you know when it's even or it's level. So if I wanted to move this around, again, you can always change the background. So you need to just select the background color and look for here where it says color. You choose the colors that you want. So I mean, this is like a weird color that I'm choosing, but you can see that it's sticking out. Another option here, you have your layering, so you can bring it forward. Different items you can bring forward, bring to the back. You can send to the back, and you can send to the back. You can center horizontally. Excuse me. You can center vertically, as well as you can flip horizontally and flip vertically, and you can lock stuff in layers, sort of like if you're doing Photoshop. And the cool feature I like about this, so let me just go back to I need to go back to the page, but don't worry. The cool feature I like about this, if you have an image that you wanted to crop and take off the background, you can do that, and there's training videos that will show you how to do that as well. Again, you can change the font size, you can bold, you can underline it, and you can make it italic, right, center, left, right alignment. Again, you can delete stuff, you can duplicate the layers, and again, I showed you the grid option, so that way if you wanted to duplicate these two burgers, you can do that if you wanted to, as well as you can just delete it if you found that you don't need that option. Again, you can enter in subtitles. Now, one of the coolest things, or one of the biggest things about Facebook or any particular, like say Pinterest, you can quickly create images such as this for your Facebook marketing, as well as you can create quotes. I know some of you guys, let me go back to one of my pages. I post a quote. You can create a simple post like this and start to share different quotes on your Facebook fan page, or even on your Pinterest, especially Instagram, which is known for images. Twitter, you can post images on Twitter nowadays. So every social media channel, you can use these images for your blog posts, YouTube content. I'm not sure if you know about YouTube videos, where you can actually have a cover on the YouTube videos. I know it's a pretty long video, but I just want to give you every example where you will tend to save money on this particular option if you do take up on this offer with the link below. And especially at this low price, it's a stealer when you think about how much stuff how many times you're gonna need graphics for your business, and start to pay someone else when you can, you can even outsource someone to use the software for you and start to create graphics. So you have different shapes. There's so many things you can do with this. And another cool thing I like about this, the icon finder, and it lets you know basically you need to remember the rights. So certain icon finders, you need to have the right to it, but then it also gives you royalty-free images so that you can use, and you don't have any problems later on. So again, if you want to promote your Facebook page, and these are some of the cool things that you can just think about how much money. just off the top of my head, how much money you're going to be saving by using using this software to actually promote your product or your services. Again, you can search Pixabay, so you can see, you can, even if you wanted to that whole background and you just wanted to add some text to it, and let's say if I could find the text again, but I'll just go here and then add the text to it, and you see the blue line shows up to let you know when it's leveled or it's centered, or even there's a blue line there. There we go. So boom, you can create that and post that to your Facebook, or change your cover quickly as possible. And you can upload. Another cool thing is you can upload images. So you can see here some of these images I've uploaded before. This is a t-shirt that I've done, so I could put my t-shirt in there, even though it has nothing to do with this, but you can easily incorporate t-shirts. And this t-shirt I actually created in Photoshop. So imagine, you know, going from Photoshop to using this particular software. It's pretty cool. And I showed you guys how I did a particular image or graphics on my Facebook page using the same software. So again, you can create images or graphics for your Facebook fan pages or whatever graphics you have. So whatever channel or outlet you have you want to promote graphics for, you can do that. So I'm not going to take up most of your time, and you know, for right now there's a special going on. I suggest you get it. To be honest, for the asking price of this, it's pretty cheap, and you can easily make your money back, especially if you wanted to create images for other people, and you could charge them, say, $97 or £97, whatever, and make your money back from this particular software. Right? So I'm not going to keep you guys too long. Apologies for this long video, but you know, this is a cool little graphic software that I currently use in my business. You guys need to check it out. Click the link below and get it for this special price. And there's amazing bonuses you should see below the page that you can start to use now. Well, not use right away, but as soon as you buy the product through the link below. Alright, so you guys take it easy and start to create graphics and build your business online. And again, graphics help promote your business and get you more engagement on Facebook, and without a doubt it grabs people's attention and helps to build your brand, especially products or services. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoy that. Don't forget to click the link below, take me up on this offer. You won't be disappointed. Alright, take it easy. Speak to you guys soon.